Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering devices. Make sure the earbuds and the case have charge because low battery can interrupt pairing. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and stay on the Bluetooth menu so you can watch for the device. Put both earbuds in the case and open the lid to force pairing mode on many Skull models. This sends a discoverable signal. If a single earbud has a separate button, press it now. These steps set a reliable baseline for the connection process. You now trigger the pairing sequence. Press and hold both earbud buttons for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LEDs flash, because that indicates discoverable mode. Next, watch your phone's Bluetooth list for the Skull Candy or model name. Once it appears, tap it to start pairing. Make sure to accept any pairing prompts on screen and, if asked, confirm the PIN or accept a pairing request. If one earbud pairs before the other, keep them in the case briefly to finish syncing. You finish by confirming stereo audio. Play a short clip and make sure left and right channels are correct, because incorrect orientation means the earbuds aren't synced. If the connection drops, reboot the earbuds and your phone, then repeat pairing, because transient Bluetooth conflicts are common. As a final recovery step, perform a reset. Hold the earbud buttons for 10 seconds to restore defaults, then reinitiate pairing. If problems persist, check for firmware updates or try pairing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.